I'd rate Bright Interiors a 9.5 out of 10. Hi everyone, I'm Richa and I welcome you to our beautiful house. So when we wanted to get the interiors of our house done, we were researching for somebody who would help us with the interiors and the civil work that we wanted to get done in our house. And we came across a lot of YouTube videos from Dheeraj ji. And also he came highly recommended from an interior designer friend that we had. And that's how we got in touch with him. So, like everybody, I think we wanted the house done as fast as possible. But right from the beginning, Dheeraj ji was, very, he tried to explain to us why certain things would take a certain amount of time and how it proceeded and how the work started getting done. We actually came to know that that's the right way to get it done, and we left it on him as an expert to get it done the way that he wanted to, and we were very happy. The team was fantastic. Whatever milestones we had to achieve, we achieved them properly within time. There was never a delay. We always told him exactly what he wanted and he understood it. He actually came in as an expert for us. He told us exactly the way things should be done instead of how, probably we could have done it in a jugaad or any other way. We did it really, really nicely. So we were very happy with the progress. Company that we were working together with, they partnered with us rather than being somebody that we had to tell exactly what to do, harrow ourselves about the timelines and everything happened very, very spick and span on time, and we loved the experience completely. So thank you, Dheeraj ji. Thank you so much for that. The house is beautiful, and all thanks to you.
Thank you, ma'am. So I am also thankful to पंकज जी एंड रीचा जी, जिन्होंने हमारी टीम पे ट्रस्ट किया और हमें इतना बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट गॉल स्टेट में दिया. एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू माय टीम, जिन्होंने अच्छी तरीके से एग्जीक्यूट किया. और ऊपर वाले का भी आभारी हूँ, मुझे अच्छे अच्छे क्लाइंट मिलते रहते हैं. सो थैंक यू गॉड. एंड मेरे सभी सब्सक्राइबर्स और व्यूअर्स हमारी वीडियो को देखते हैं, बड़ा प्यार करते हैं. आप लोग हंसते रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें और इंटीरियर ज़रूर कराते रहें. जल्दी मिलेंगे एक और वीडियो में. बाय 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 फ्रेंड्स.